Today I'll show you how to use OBS Studio for streaming your live content. So first of all, start your OBS app. So here I'll show you how to add a source. To add a source, just go to the source section, click on the plus icon, and here you can select any source. So for this case, let's just start with macOS screen capture. This will be basically screen capture of your present laptop. So here, as you can see, my screen is being recorded, and you can even reposition it to your needs as well. Now I'll show you how you can add text and images. You just go into image and then select any image that you might have on your device. So here the image is added, and in case you want to delete a particular source, just click on that source and click the trash icon and press yes. So here you have the image. Now you can similarly add text as well. So basically you can set like the name for the text, and here you will find the text you are going to display on your screen. So let's just put OBS Studio in this case, and here you can just drag it to like move your sources. Also you can add other sources like browser as well. So here you'll get an option to put in any link you want to open on the browser. So let's just open VdoCipher.com for this case, and here you have the browser, and you can reposition it to according to your need. You can have the image, the browser, and text. So yeah, that's it for now.
You can create live stream directly from the dashboard. You can create multiple parallel streams in an account, 5 for all paid accounts and much higher for enterprise accounts. The streams will take around 90 seconds to initiate and generate streaming credentials. Meanwhile, you can set up your streaming software like OBS, vMix, or even you can use Zoom as an input software. The settings are mentioned in our onboarding guide, including FPS, the output, video, and audio bandwidth, and then the most importantly, the streaming server URL and streaming key, which is present in your dashboard below the stream. So you can connect any streaming software with our live stream, and a detailed guide is here explaining all the steps involved and the few parameters. It is just a 10-minute step. If you want to use Zoom as an input streaming software because you like the Zoom interface, then you can also connect Zoom. Zoom paid accounts have a setting to enable connection of Zoom with a live streaming solution like us. You can enable that, and you can connect Zoom with our system. So you can use OBS, Zoom, or any other standard streaming software with our system. The player will have multiple qualities. It will be adaptive in nature. User can also switch the quality. Also, if you are the moderator, you can chat as a moderator, and the viewers can also chat, either authenticated chat or anonymous chat. The stream can be integrated inside your website or app with a simple embed code. We also have APIs for integration. The recorded stream will go to the VdoCipher dashboard and encrypt it for DRM. All other features are also explained in our live streaming solution page. Please feel free to ask any queries. Thank you.